Hey, how's it going? This is Justin Gilman with Quantum Leads, and today I'll be walking you through your digital marketing attack plan to show you how to turn your website into a lead generation machine and really generate some more revenue for your business month over month. Now, to do that, we first have to understand how are people finding roofing businesses in your area. And if you're like me and many other people, chances are you're going to go on Google, type in whatever service or industry you want, plus your city name, and pick from the first few results either down below in the organic search results or up here in the Google Map Pack. And this seems to be a pretty popular thing, as you'll notice that there's about 1,000 searches every single month just for Colorado Springs roofing. Obviously, you can multiply that out because there's other search terms like roof installation, roof repair, roofing near me. But whatever the search is, we want to put our business at the forefront of all of those searches. That way, we can guarantee that at least 1,000 people every single month see our business first before looking at the competition. However, in order to do that, there's going to be a few things that we'll need to do first. So first off, we'll need to build out our content, as content is king on Google. So let's take a look at one of your competitors' sites and see what they're doing as far as content goes. So here we have Divine Roofing, and you'll notice that they built out a ton of different content on their site. And this content is filled with keywords and phrases. Keywords are essentially the most used words or phrases on a web page, and based on these keywords, we're going to tell Google vital information about our business, such as what we do or where we operate from, and this is going to ultimately help them put us in searches related to our business, such as the high volume and business related searches like Colorado Springs roofing. So while we want to make sure that we keep our keywords very industry specific, we still want to remain very content full. So let's flip back to your website and see what you've been working with so far. So you'll notice that you do have some content on your home page, but once again, we always want to go bigger and better than our competitor. So if our competitor has 1,200 keywords on their homepage, we're going to want 1,500. If they have 700, we're going to want 1,000. We're always going to want to go bigger and better. However, we're also going to want our content to be filled with keywords and phrases, like I said, that are relevant to those high volume searches. That way we make sure that we appear for each one of them. But if I told you that all we needed was content and keywords, I'd ultimately be lying to you because there's a lot more to this. We're also going to need backlinks and citations to really push our website forward in the rankings. So let's take a look at your competitor's backlink structure and compare the two of them. Here we are in a tool I like to use called Ahrefs, and if you take a look here, you'll notice that your competitors have built out around 2,300 backlinks to their website, and that's been able to really generate some good power for them. And it essentially helps them bring in almost 300 users every single month and a traffic value of roughly $4,000 month over month. And like I said, this is a direct result of both their website's internal factors, such as their content and keywords, as well as their backlink structure. So we want to make sure that we have the best of both worlds with a contentful website, as well as a very built out backlink structure. So let's take a look at your backlink structure and see what you've been working with so far. So you'll notice that in Ahrefs, you only have 324 backlinks built, and while it's generating you some power here, it's not creating the real value that you needed to because once again, we need to go bigger and better than our competitors in every aspect, including backlinks. So they have 2,300 backlinks, so we're going to need around 3,000 backlinks to really go above and beyond them. Now, before I cut this video, I did mention that citations were a big part of everything, and those are going to be an important part for the Google Map Pack as they are everywhere our business's name, address, and phone number are listed online. Some popular citations are things like Yelp, Facebook, Instagram. All those are different citations you can get for your business. And if we take a look at your competition in the Google Map Pack, we could take a look at how many citations each of these companies has and determine how many you'll need to really go in and start outranking them. So let's take a look at how many they have. So here we are in a tool I use called Whitespark, and you'll notice that your competition currently has, we have Premier Roofing with 27 citations, we have Divine Roofing with 24, and we have Rampart Roofing with 47. Now, like I said, we really have to go above and beyond, so I normally recommend doubling the biggest number in here. So if they have 47 citations, we're going to want 94 citations on top of our internal and external SEO factors to really tie everything together and to create the strongest strategy possible. And if you do all of that, you should really start to see some massive improvements to the amount of revenue your website is creating for you month over month. But now that's all I really have for you in this video. Once again, my name is Justin Gilman of Quantum Leads. I'd love to set up a meeting with you guys to talk about anything that wasn't mentioned in this video or to talk about any questions or concerns that you have about this video. So feel free to set up a meeting with us by clicking the button at the bottom of our email. And once again, I hope this video was very educational. Thank you for watching.